Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to add some color to our leaf prints that we made last week. So what I want you to do is use these paint sticks to add color to your background. Now you can paint the background however you'd like, but what I want you to start out by doing is picking a color and outlining your leaves. And you can outline them in different colors, but look, this is very fat. So if you put it down like this, it's gonna make a fat line. But if I use the edge right here, then I can sort of draw with it. So I'm just gonna trace the outline of my leaf there. And I think I'm just gonna use all the same color. So I'm using orange. And I'm just tracing the outline of my leaves so that I remember not to color over them. I'm using the edge and I'm really tracing the shape of the leaf and the stem. You can trace them with any color, and you can even trace each leaf with a different color. You're the artist, so you decide how you want to do this, but start off by tracing all your leaves. Okay, now I'm going to start coloring in. Now I'm going to show you a trick. My orange looks kind of brown on here because I'm coloring on top of black paper. If I take my white paint stick and I paint white first, so I'm going to paint that little section in white. Then I take my orange and I color on top of the white. It will make a prettier color. So you decide if you want to use that trick with the white. I think it works well. If I choose a color that doesn't show up well, for instance, let's say I wanted to paint this section blue. Oh no, my blue's not really showing up. Let's try that trick again with the white. So I can paint that little section white or color it white. Then watch this. Oh, my blue's back to normal. I'm trying to color neatly. I would like for you guys to pick any colors that you'd like. Remember, you're the artist, and color your entire black paper around your leaves. Now, I really love using the trick with the white so that my colors are brighter, but you don't have to use that trick. You can let your colors be more subdued or darker as they color on top of the black paper if you don't use the white. But I do like to use the white to make my colors bright. I'm coloring very neatly. I'm not scribbling. You possibly will have a chance to go to stations today, but if you scribble, we can't go to stations. So take your time and color very neatly. This takes time. All artwork takes time. You can even get up and look at other people's if you're stuck and you need some ideas. But again, color neatly, finish coloring your entire paper, and your leaves are going to stand out so beautifully. Voila! I'm finished, and I love my beautiful masterpiece. Now, when you're done, you need to roll your paint sticks down and put them back in the basket. All right, and then we'll put these on the drying rack. Be sure your table is clean before you do any stations. And if we don't do a good job on these pictures, we won't go to stations. I want you to give me your best effort on coloring around your leaves before you even think about going to stations.